With the anticipated rise in electric vehicle adoption today and for the foreseeable future, there's a growing demand for construction contractors to provide swift and straightforward installations. EVBlocks, one of the first movers in EV foundation space, have developed a simple and effective product to address the multiple challenges contractors encounter when building cast-in-place plinths and bases for EV chargers. EVBlocks ready-to-install solution, constructed from precast concrete, feature 4 cable entries that support various wiring configurations, including daisy chaining, shown here, deadheading and changes in direction, ensuring flexibility for different installation layouts, providing versatility and future-proofing installations. The composite adapter plate offers a sleek ASTM, slip-resistant tread finish, and is ANSI Tier 15 rated, making it ideal for passive installation. Beneath the surface, the foundation provides space for coiling and storing cables, safeguarding components until the EV charger installation takes place. Its universal design accommodates all AC chargers and pedestals and is rated for up to 175 mph winds. The central cavity serves as a convenient access point, simplifying cable pulling and directional changes during installation. With readily available replacement adapter plates, upgrades and replacements are effortlessly executed. Alternatively, the foundations can be restored to a passive state if required. In this example, half of the EVBlock foundations have been equipped with EV chargers during the initial phase of construction. As utilization approaches or exceeds 80%, it prompts the consideration of adding more EV chargers, allowing the property owner or tenant to strategically time capital investments to maximize their return on their EV charging infrastructure. By utilizing passive EVBlocks, the addition of extra chargers can be achieved without further ground excavation, minimizing disturbance for property owners or tenants. You can find more information at EVBlocks.com.